Hello, my name is Najim M. You are watching Mr. Najim Tech. Today I will tell you how to turn on Facebook dark mode. Guys, first of all, click on Facebook and click on profile. There are 2 steps how to turn on dark mode on Facebook. Step 1, click on settings and privacy and click on dark mode. There are 2 options, on and off, then click on option 1. Step 2, click on settings and privacy again, then click on settings and scroll down. Click on dark mode, again click on first option. If you like the video, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.